Let's see what has happened yesterday and what we can expect today, and also learn about the trading with the technical analysis. First of all, yesterday the candle before was closed here, and we can see that the candle yesterday has been also a bullish, which represents also a bullish breakout above this resistance 3037.30. Yesterday I have mentioned that I am expecting more, and that the price will try to make a bullish breakout, which has happened. Then it is a bearish. Now if we go to the lower time frame, we will see how the price has behaved yesterday. Starting of the day, just a minute. The start of the day was around here. We can see that the price was inside this small range area between 3037.30 and below 3026.97. We can see how the price has behaved yesterday, starting the day around here. Just a minute. Here with this candle, the price started to move down, reaching the first support level. We can see that 3026.97 and bouncing from here, where the price has stopped just at the resistance level. Then the price formed a bullish breakout, going all the way to the first resistance above that 3045.97, and then returning back down. We can see this was a bearish breakout below that area of support. We can see that indicating further decline, and the price has gone all the way back down, and again forming a bearish breakout. This strong bearish candle has closed the 1 hour time frame below this area of support, and this was also an indication for me that the price will continue to lose its value, going further down to the first support level around this here 3018.76. but this bearish breakout was a failed one. So this one also I have shared inside the premium analysis, but it was a failed one for the traders, where the price has returned back up. And we can see the price continued because of this failed bearish breakout with this bullish breakout, because the price was going from the below of this resistance and going above. This was a bullish breakout in validation of the previous bearish, indicating further rise in value. And we can see this has happened, and the price has reached the first resistance level, which is 3037.30, and the price has formed this bullish breakout. So also I have informed the traders about this. Potentially the price will move further up because of this bullish momentum, because 3 of the candles, and the price started to rise in value, but then reversed back down to the first support level, and then formed a bearish breakout, indicating further decline in value. We can see that the price again reached 3026.97 support level, because the price was bouncing between these two price levels. This was a failed bullish breakout, and this was a failed bearish breakout. We can see that. We can see that first of all, this bullish breakout was a valid one, and it has reached immediately the target with this candle. So this was a successful one, but the price returned back down with this failed bearish breakout. And then eventually we can see that the price was trying to make a bullish breakout above here with this candle. The price could not manage that, then returned slightly down, and then finally with a strong bullish candle we can see that the price formed 2 bullish breakouts. First bullish breakout was 3037.30, and it has reached the second resistance level 3045.97. This bullish breakout has been formed on the chart, and we can see with this candle has been confirmed. We can see that here with the bullish candle, but we can see that the price was going up and down, and this one has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. This bullish breakout at here at this resistance level, which is still active, we can see that the price was targeting the next resistance level, and this next resistance level was here around 3062.77, but I have set the target before this area of resistance, before the supply zone, because I cannot say also where the price could stop. Will it stop here, or it will stop here, or it will stop here? So I have put the price here. Yesterday I did not had this 3055.53 resistance level, because I didn't have it before, and also the Fibonacci expansion level has not shown me this area of resistance. So we can see how the price has behaved yesterday after this bullish breakout. We have seen the price rising in value, and stop it right here at 3056.29. From here the price is bouncing back down, forming a bearish, we can see that, engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value. We can see that price stopped at the first support level 3045.97, and currently the price is forming the bullish candle, bouncing from this area of support, suggesting potentially further rise in value. But first of all, where the price currently is between this resistance and the support level. Will the price continue to rise in value? Well, let's see how this looks on the higher time frame and also to make a conclusion. For today, for the daily candle, based on yesterday, when the price forms a bullish breakout, indication is further rise in value. And we can see because of this bullish candle yesterday, let's increase this one a little bit so we can see much more clearly. With this bullish candle forming yesterday, it is a bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value, where I have set the next target is 3062.77 and area, which is a supply zone around that area of resistance. So I'm expecting that the price will try to reach to the higher price levels, which has done this morning, but we can see there is still room for the price to go. Will it go further up? Well, we'll see that on the low time frame how this looks. Now on the 4-hour time frame, it is also a bullish breakout above this daily resistance level. We can see that here about 3037.30, which means suggesting further rise in value, and we can see the next candle after that was trying to move higher. So this also candle formation suggests for me further rise in value. Where the price will stop, for now the target is around 3062.77, and also I have put this area take profit before this area of supply zone, just in case if the price does not reach this area of resistance 3062.77, maybe it reaches a little bit before that. And let's take on the 1-hour time frame how this looks. On the 1-hour time frame, it looks that we had a bullish breakout which has reached this area of resistance, now bouncing back down, not forming any bearish breakouts, still bouncing from this area of support. With this candle has closed, we can see this price has closed above this area of resistance. We can see it is a small one, and currently stopped just at the second one. So if we go to the lower time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, we would see that here is also a small resistance level for the price. Now I am expecting and waiting for the price to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which will indicate further rise going to 3055.53. And then when the price makes a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3055.53, this will be indication of the further rise in value, where the price will try to reach the next one, which I have set here. But when the price reaches this area of resistance, maybe it will go further up, maybe it will stop here. This is something that we need to wait for the market to make a move and then follow the market, because it is all-time high price level that prices reached yesterday. So I do not know where is this history supply and demand zone, support and the resistance levels. So I need to wait. But for now, this is the target I'm targeting with this bullish breakout that has been formed, and we will see what happens. If the price goes further down, going below this area of support, closing and making bearish breakout, this will be a failed one for me at least, and then this order will also close with a loss. So we'll see how this plays today, but I am more inclined to see the price going further up, because we have a daily bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value. We have a 4-hour time frame bullish breakout suggesting further rise in value, and waiting for the 1-hour time frame to make a bullish breakout here on the smaller scale around 3050, and then the next one about 3055.53. So that's all for today. That's something that I'm expecting. I'm more inclined to see the price going further up because of this bullish momentum where the price currently is. But also, if you have any idea where the price could go, feel free to leave a comment so we can discuss about your idea where the price is heading. I hope this video today I have shared some kind of information and some of the knowledge, so you can also understand how the technical analysis which I am using with the breakout is formed, and also how I am making the decision about the bullish and bearish breakouts, where is the target. If you would like to receive these updates that I have sent yesterday with the traders inside the premium analysis, feel free to check the link in the description so you can also join with the other traders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.